I'm going to show you how to use artificial intelligence to build a stock portfolio app that actually gives you artificial intelligence recommendations on what to do with your stock portfolio. And just a quick disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. You shouldn't rely on anything that we're building here for actual stock recommendations. We're using a very general AI. The AI tool you're going to use to build this app is called Buzzy.buzz. It's an AI website and app builder. It's super simple to use. Buzzy is going to build the actual app, but if we want those AI recommendations inside of our Buzzy app, we're going to use a tool called Respell.ai. So let's try it. Here I am on Buzzy.buzz. This is the homepage, and I'm just creating a brief description of my app, create an app to track stock portfolios. I click continue, I put in my email, and I click build my app, and it starts building it with AI. I got an email, and this is what the first version looks like, and I can even change it just by chatting with the AI, Buzzy AI, over here, and it'll actually make changes in the app based on my little conversation and what I ask the artificial intelligence. Then we go to Respell, and this is the tool in the back end that I mentioned before that's giving the AI stock recommendations. And as you can see here is the AI piece, and we are using GPT-4. And the whole process, start to finish, of how to build this is documented on Buzzy's blog, your AI-powered stock portfolio. It goes through every single detail of what to do. And here's the final version. I'm going to click on Blue Chip Leaders. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click Get Recommendations, and it's going to start doing its AI thing to get me recommendations based on this list of stocks. And boom, the AI generated a 1, 3, and 5-year plan for all of the stocks in my portfolio. Super cool. But this stuff gets super crazy. Like, just using those two tools, there's an enormous amount you can do, and Buzzy's actually going to release a few more tutorials on how to basically make AI apps with AI, like you just saw. It's nuts.